Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog, and today's video I will be unboxing my Inssakit new Keep It Green edition box set from YESSTYLE. Before I start opening this box, I just want to say thank you YESSTYLE for gifting me a bonus coupon, because from that amount I bought this Inssakit box set together with some beauty items. So before I start opening this box, I just want to show you first what's inside this plastic. Okay, so first, this is a free item. This is a set of 2 pairs fishnet socks from the brand Sony, and the color is black. Okay, so this is how it looks like, and the material is very soft. The quality is very good. Okay, so we have also some free sachet. I'm just gonna remove from the plastic na lang. Okay, so we have some free sachet from the brand by Wish Trend. This is polyphenols in propolis 15% ampule. We have also from the brand Holika. So this is super ceramide cream. And okay, so I bought a liquid sharp liner from the brand Misha. This is the tip, and it's very nice, easy to apply. Okay, so I got also some refill of eyebrows from the brand Eclipse. This is natural auto eyebrow in the shade dark brown. Okay, I'm gonna show you how it looks like. So this is how it looks like it's only a refill, by the way. Okay, so I got a sponsored product. This is a ceramide extract essence from the brand Derma Elements. Okay, so let's open. So this is how it looks like, the container, and you have to remove this plastic seal and attach this one, or change with this one. Okay, so now let's unbox this. So this Inssakit's new Keep It Green edition box set from YESSTYLE showcases vegan and cruelty-free beauty products. So according to YESSTYLE, the packaging is made from recycled cardboard and printed with eco-friendly soy ink. Soy ink is a kind of ink made from soybeans. And the sleeves of this packaging can be turned into origami box. You just need to cut this part, and there is instruction here on how you turn this into origami box. Okay, so this is how it looks like now, the box, with some printed leaves, some animals like bunny. Okay, so now let's open. So this is how it looks like when you open inside. There is some message here. It says, Keep It Green edition. Hello, I come bearing vegan and cruelty-free beauty products and gifts. So I made from recycled cardboard. Please consider using me to restore photos, makeup, or sentimental things you just can't get rid of. When you're done with me, throw me away like you would expired makeup products, only this time in the recycling bin. So the first product in this box is this green tea and enzyme powder wash by the brand by Wish Trend. So I'm just gonna read some details about this powder wash. So it says here that this powder cleanser is formulated with green tea powder and papaya enzymes to gently cleanse, exfoliate, and rid skin of impurities, rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and anti-inflammatory properties. It helps eliminate dead skin, balance skin's pH level, and improve skin texture. And this is suitable for sensitive, oily, and acne-prone skin. So next is this scrub mask, fig scrub mask from the brand I'm From. So it says here, this is packed with black sugar and fig powder enzymes. This scrub mask removes dead skin cells and impurities to reveal fresh, clean, and moisturized skin. So it helps boost product absorption and can also be used as body scrub. And this is best for dry and combination skin type. So it comes with a silicone mask brush. So here, so this reusable silicone brush allows you to apply the mask and other skincare products in a quick and hygienic way. So brush texture is soft and gentle on the skin. Okay, so another product in the box is this Super Balanced Brightening Ampule from the brand Bar. So this brightening ampule contains vitamin B3 to brighten complexion and 81% green tea water to soothe the skin. It also includes 7 types of hyaluronic acid to hydrate and plump skin without stickiness, and this is suitable for sensitive skin type. Okay, so another one we have is this Robitin Clean Lotus Water Cream. So this moisturizing cream purifies skin with 75% lotus water, which contains caempferol, an antioxidant with anti-aging benefits. Formulated with only EWG verified ingredients, and it is free of harmful ingredients and irritants such as parabens, alcohol, and mineral oil. It comes with a sticker printed on recycled paper for decorating the tubes. Okay, so another product in this box is this Klairs Fundamental Nourishing Eye Butter. So it says here that enriched with a blend of peptides, this eye butter helps reduce fine lines and increase skin suppleness. It also contains sunflower seed oil, which is high in vitamin A and E to protect delicate skin around the area from free radicals. So rich but not greasy, the texture is perfect for oily skin. Can also be used as a neck cream. And another product from the box is this I'm from Mugwort Spot Gel. So it says here that this is empowered by 90% mugwort extract plus other botanical extract. This gel provides intensive yet gentle care for spots. The light texture absorbs quickly into the skin to soothe spots and help control sebum. Designed with a small applicator for precise application in small or hard to reach areas. Okay, so another product on this Inssakit box set is this Unleashia Get Jewel Palette, and this is in the shade Starry Dot. Okay, so I think we can open this one. So this is how it looks like. It says here that this palette contains 2 creamy matte colors and 2 sparkly shades, including one with a star-shaped glitters. The eyeshadow's unique formula glides on smoothly and gives a long-lasting glam finish, free of parabens, fragrances, sulfates, and phthalates. Okay, so we have also from the same brand, this is the Unleashia Glittery Water Lip Balm. So this is how it looks like. Okay, so this glittery lip balm is packed with moisturizing ingredients including mango, seed butter, olive oil, and babasu oil to keep lips nourished and hydrated. So the non-sticky formula gives your lips a soft touch and dreamy gloss, free of parabens, fragrances, sulfates, and phthalates. Okay, so second to the last item in this Inssakit box set is the silicone cup from the brand YESSTYLE. They randomly select colors for each box, and I got the yellow one. So it says here, enjoy a beverage of choice with this reusable, environmentally friendly silicone cup measuring 9 cm in height. The lightweight and flexible cup can be easily carried around for drinks on the go. So the last product in this box is this Line Friends pendant pencil case from the brand Babusarang. So it says here, store your stationery or makeup in this adorable mini brown and friends pouch featuring official characters from messaging app Line's popular Line's Friends series. So color is light blue. Okay, so these are all the items inside this Inssakit's new Keep It Green Edition box set pencil version from YESSTYLE. And all of the details of these products will be on my description box, so you can check it later. And you can use my code YESSTYLE12 when you purchase on YESSTYLE to get a further discount. And I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you do, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel. And thank you for watching, and see you in my next one. Bye!